10 Income-Producing Assets: How to Build Wealth Over Time. Welcome to this insightful guide on one of the most effective strategies to build wealth: owning income-producing assets. If you're an entrepreneur or someone on a journey toward financial freedom, this video is designed for you. We'll walk you through 10 powerful assets that can generate consistent income streams while growing your wealth over time. Let's dive in. An income-producing asset is any resource or investment that generates regular revenue without requiring you to trade significant time for money. Essentially, it helps you make money while you sleep. For entrepreneurs, these assets are a game changer. While your business might be the core engine of your active income, income-producing assets allow you to diversify, minimize risks, and create additional cash flow, setting the stage for long-term financial security. Achieving true wealth comes from combining active income with passive or semi-passive streams of earnings. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to start building a portfolio of income-generating assets and why diversification is key. So let's explore the top 10 options. Dividend-paying stocks are a classic way to earn passive income. Companies that are profitable often share their success with shareholders by paying dividends, regular payouts that are distributed as a percentage of the company's earnings. When you own dividend-paying stocks, you're essentially getting paid just for holding on to those shares. Aside from providing a steady income, dividend stocks also appreciate in value over time, offering you the opportunity to grow your wealth in two ways: through stock price appreciation and regular payouts. Many blue-chip companies like Procter & Gamble or Coca-Cola are known for their dependable dividend distributions. Start exploring dividend-paying stocks by researching companies with strong financial histories that consistently pay dividends. Real estate is widely considered one of the most reliable ways to build wealth, and rental properties are one of the best vehicles for generating income. The concept is simple: purchase a property, rent it out, and collect rental payments from tenants. Over time, your rental income can cover costs like mortgage payments, property taxes, and maintenance, leaving you with regular profit. If the property value appreciates, you're also growing equity. Keep in mind that owning rental property does require some effort for management, so you'll need to decide whether to handle tenant relations yourself or hire a property manager. Regardless, the cash flow from rental properties often makes it worth the investment. If owning and managing physical property seems overwhelming, consider investing in REITs or real estate investment trusts. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without direct ownership. They are companies that own or finance income-producing properties, and as an investor, you earn a share of the income generated, whether it's from office buildings, hotels, or apartment complexes. REITs provide liquidity. You can buy and sell shares like stocks, and they usually pay dividends consistently. For entrepreneurs who want real estate exposure with fewer responsibilities, REITs are a perfect fit. Peer-to-peer, P2P lending is an innovative asset that connects investors to individuals or businesses in need of loans through online platforms. As a lender, you provide capital and earn interest on the repayments. Platforms like Prosper and Lending Club make it easy to understand risk categories, so you can choose how much risk to take and what returns to expect. While peer-to-peer lending can offer higher than average returns compared to traditional savings or bonds, it's important to diversify across multiple borrowers to reduce risk. P2P lending is a great option if you're looking for consistent income with manageable involvement. Digital products are one of the most scalable and low-maintenance income-producing assets. Once you create digital resources like ebooks, online courses, stock photos, or templates, you can sell them repeatedly without additional effort. For example, an entrepreneur with expertise in a niche industry could create a course that teaches others their skills or knowledge. Once the course is built, it becomes a source of recurring revenue every time it's purchased. Focus on niches with strong demand and evergreen appeal to maximize sales over time. With platforms like Udemy, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or Etsy, you can distribute your digital products globally with minimal upfront investment. For beginner entrepreneurs or those cautious about investing, high-yield savings accounts and fixed deposits offer a low-risk way to earn passive income. These accounts provide higher interest rates than regular savings accounts, letting your money work for you. While the returns won't make you rich overnight, they're highly secure and accessible, especially if you're starting out with limited funds. Consider these as a safe parking lot for cash reserves while exploring additional, higher-yielding income-producing assets. Royalties are another excellent source of passive income for creative entrepreneurs. If you create intellectual property, such as books, music, or patents, you can license that work to others and earn royalties each time it's used or sold. For example, a writer earns royalties per book sale, while a musician gets paid when their songs are streamed. Building royalties requires upfront effort, whether it's writing a best-selling book or composing hit songs. However, with a one-time investment of your time and creativity, you can enjoy ongoing returns for years. With the rise of e-commerce and automation tools, online businesses have become a lucrative option for entrepreneurs venturing into passive income. Businesses like dropshipping, print-on-demand, or affiliate marketing can be set up with automation systems to handle tasks like inventory, shipping, and customer inquiries, allowing you to generate income without constant involvement. For instance, in dropshipping, you don't need to hold inventory. You partner with suppliers who fulfill orders as customers buy through your website. Use platforms like Shopify or Amazon's affiliate program to scale automated online ventures into consistent revenue streams. Fractional investing lets you invest in high-value assets, like real estate or art, without needing substantial capital. Platforms like Fundrise or Masterworks allow you to purchase fractions of these assets, which generate income proportionally. For real estate, you might earn dividends similar to REITs, while art investments grow based on market value appreciation. This option is perfect for entrepreneurs who want access to more exclusive income-producing assets without the financial burden of full ownership. Lastly, consider building a side hustle with scalability so it can evolve into a passive income producer over time. Examples include subscription box services, niche blog monetization, or creating a mobile app. These ventures often start as active income sources, but can transition into automated workflows with smart systems in place. By focusing on scalable side hustles, you lay the groundwork for a new revenue stream that you can eventually step away from while still earning consistent income. Starting your journey as an investor or income builder can feel overwhelming. Keep the following strategies in mind. Set financial goals. Understand what you're trying to achieve, whether it's monthly cash flow, savings for retirement, or replacing your current job's income. Start small. Begin with what you can afford, even if it's a modest amount in stocks, a savings account, or fractional investing. Reinvest profits. Use the income from initial investments to diversify and scale your portfolio over time. Do your homework. Every asset demands some research and understanding to maximize benefits and minimize risks. Be patient. Building wealth is a long-term game. Start now, stay consistent, and allow your income-producing assets to grow over time. Owning income-producing assets is one of the smartest ways to build wealth as an entrepreneur. Each of the 10 assets we've covered offers unique benefits and risk profiles, making it possible for anyone to find one, or several, that align with their goals. Whether you're investing in stocks, rental properties, digital products, or automated businesses, the key is to get started. Remember, the ultimate goal is financial freedom, not just to earn money, but to have your money working for you. So, pick one asset from this list today and begin your journey towards sustainable wealth building. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more actionable tips to grow your wealth and achieve financial independence. Now, let's start building your portfolio.